Well, I've been talking about getting headlights for a while, and I'm not gonna lie, I mean, I think they look pretty nice. Now, I did get the Oil M VLAND style headlights for the FRS, and I figured probably the best way to kind of showcase these would be kind of a POV night drive, just to see how good these headlights really are. Because obviously, you know, the whole function of headlights is to be able to see at night, or like the main function of a headlight is to be able to see at night. So we're definitely gonna do a little test here. You guys are like on the fence picking these headlights up. Hopefully this video can either convince you or prevent you from picking these up. Now I hope you guys can hear me, because I mean, it is nice outside. It's a nice little cool night, 62. I'm gonna have the windows down a little bit so you guys kind of hear like the exhaust and the turbo and whatnot. Stock brakes, by the way. Big flames. So kind of looks like this little dark turn over here. I can definitely tell that the distance with these headlights isn't as good as stock. So if you guys are like, you know, in a low lit area, you guys are probably gonna be able to tell that. This is gonna be kind of the area I could tell. I don't normally take this area around, but this is definitely going to be able to tell. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. The distance definitely isn't as good. This is with the high beams. The high beams are decent. They're decent. Definitely like in this kind of like back area, quote unquote backwoods area, definitely might need to have the high beams on. And kind of for reference, whenever I would take this kind of area back at night, I did not have to put my high beams on, so that can kind of let you guys know. Definitely tell, like these kind of like these sharp turns and like these kind of back area, yeah, you're definitely going to want to have the high beams on. If you guys live like in a well lit area, headlights, they look nice though. What can I kind of describe them as, at least for the FRS front bumper, it almost kind of looks like a Viper snake. Not the car, but like the snake with the aggressive, the front end. It looks really like really aggressive, especially with the intercooler sitting out. Looks incredibly aggressive. And also kind of ignore like the check engine light. That will be getting fixed. It's actually just kind of like an EVAP error. Tuner forgot to delete the EVAP sensor, so not a big deal. Once that is kind of deleted, we'll be doing a real hard pulls video. Just kind of just been leaning into it this past week. Like if you guys are driving on 2-lane roads, you kind of got to be careful, especially if there's oncoming traffic. That's kind of why I'm taking these like routes I'm taking right now, just to kind of test out exactly how good these headlights are. Because I know not everybody lives like in a well-lit area, especially if you kind of live like in a subdivision or an unincorporated area. You might not have as many street lights, if any at all. Hopefully this freight, okay, I was about to say, hopefully this freight train doesn't have any influence over the light. Oh, like you guys can see here, there's absolutely no visibility. Holy cow. You literally need to turn, damn, look, not, because I'm technically going uphill right now. It's almost like there's no visibility at all. Holy cow. If there's absolutely no cars coming my way, wow. So if something were to like run out in like the middle of the street, like a deer, you know, God forbid, a person or something like